Friends, let us discuss potential energy of a system of two-point charges. We know that when two like charges they lie infinite distance apart, their potential energy is zero because no work has to done in moving one charge at infinite distance from other. When we bring two charges very close to one another, certain work has to done against the force of repulsion. And as the electrostatic force is a conservative force, this work is stored in form of potential energy. We know the definition of a potential energy. Electrostatic potential energy of a system of a point charges is defined as total amount of work done to assemble the system of charges by bringing them from infinity to their present location. Now, let us assemble system of a two-point charges. X-axis, Y and Z. At very first, Q1 and Q2, these are the two charges, they are at infinity. That time, here is potential energy is zero. Here is potential energy is zero because Q1 and Q2, they are at infinite distance. When we bring this first Q charge to the system, then there is no any work. We can easily bring this Q1 from infinity to this system, and that time we have to calculate only potential of the Q1. But when we bring this Q2 to the system that consisting of Q1 charge, that time certain work will done to bring that Q2 charge, and that time that work done will store in form of a potential energy, and we have to determine the potential energy. Now, first we bring this Q1 from infinity to this location. Let me call this point as a point at which this Q1 charge is there. Its location from the origin, its location is at R1. At this point A, we can determine the potential only because there is no any work is done to bring this Q1 to this empty system, and therefore work done will zero. We say that W1 work done will zero, and this charge produces potential. Therefore, potential at point A, we know that formula, V1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, charge is Q1 upon distance, let me call the distance is R1, where this R1 is the distance of a point A from the center or from the origin O. When we bring this Q2 from infinity to the point B, let me take here is the point B, and its location from the origin is R12, and it is at a distance, this distance is suppose R12. Here is, let me correct, this is nothing but R2 vector, and this distance is r12 from point A. Now, when we bring this Q2 from infinity to the point B, this B point is at a distance r12 from point A. Therefore, certain work will done, and that work done can be written as potential at point B due to this charge Q1 and into the charge Q2. Here is a charge Q2. Let me write work done. That work done is equal to potential at B due to Q1 into the charge Q2. Now let us substitute value. Here work done can be written as potential at point B due to point A. It can be written according to the formula 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught charge Q1 upon distance is nothing but r12 at point B. Potential due to the point A is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 upon r12 and into this charge Q2. This work done written as is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by r12. And this work done is stored in form of a potential energy. Therefore, potential energy is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by r12. Imagine there is third point. Let me take, here is a point, C point. And at infinity, suppose there is a Q3 charge, we have to bring this Q3 charge from infinity to the point C. If its location in the system is, suppose, R3, then work has to done against the electrostatic force due to this Q1 and Q2. Therefore, that work done written as potential at the C due to Q1 and Q2 into the charge Q3. Again, we know that if system is empty, when we bring Q1 charge from infinity to this empty system, there is no any work. At that time, work will 0. Let me write here for Q1 charge. The potential at point A will be V1 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1. System consisting of Q1 charge. When we bring this Q2 charge from infinity to the point B, let me write here for Q2 charge at point B. certain work will done because in the system Q1 charge is present, and due to which the force is exerted on this Q2, and therefore certain work will done bringing this Q2 charge, and therefore its work done can be written as potential at B due to Q1 into the charge is Q2. Therefore work done can be written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12. This is nothing but work done, and we know that this work done is stored in form of potential energy, and the potential energy of the 2 point charges, it can be here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R12. Here is the formula for the potential energy for the system of n point charges, and for the same purpose here for n point charges, imagine Q3 charge is present at infinity. We have to bring that Q3 from infinity to the point C. That time let us first write the potential. Potential can be written as potential at C due to Q1 and Q2. In both 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is common, and in bracket Q1 by R13. This distance is suppose R13. That time this is the potential due to the Q1 at point C, and similarly potential at C due to this Q2 can be written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 divided by R23. If the distance between the second and the third charge is R23, then we say that this is the potential into this Q3 charge as it is. Let me write this work done is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 divided by R13 plus Q2 Q3 divided by R23. Similarly, in bringing Q4 charge, suppose Q4 charge is here, bringing Q4 charge from infinity to the point D, suppose D point is here, then work has to done against the electrostatic force of Q1, Q2, Q3. Then we can write for Q4 charge, work done written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and in a bracket Q1 Q4 upon R14, distance between this A and D, Q1 and Q4, plus Q2 Q4 divided by R24. It is the distance between second and fourth charge, plus Q3 Q4 upon R34, distance between third and fourth charge. In this way we can determine the work done to bring Q4 charge from infinity to the point D, and here forces they are because of the Q1 charge, Q2 charge, Q3 charge on this Q4, and we can determine this work done. Proceeding same way, we can write electrostatic potential energy potential energy for n point charges that potential energy written as one upon 4 pi epsilon naught summation of, here combination for all pairs, let me write in a general form, qj qk upon rjk. In this way we can write potential energy for n point charges, and here is potential energy of a system of 2 point charges only.